the secret behind SMTs. So today, guys, as you can see on the title of this video, we are going to talk about, the Holy Grail of tradings, how to understand a POI or SMTs. Before going on to the topic of the video, if you like this type of video, let us know. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. It's absolutely free. Come on, guys, we want to reach 10k subscriber, and at 10k subscriber we're going to do a huge giveaway. So stay tuned, subscribe, share, and go on to the topic of this video. I know that some of you will not understand this video because as you can see when we go on the various topic, there is no real secret, guys. The bad truth is that there is no secret, there is no magic formula, okay, and all of this stuff that most of people try to sell, okay. I know how to understand the valid POI, smart money trap, buy this course. Guys, there is no real secret, okay, behind these zones, okay. The real truth is that most of the people oversimplify, okay, trading. What I mean by that, I personally like to simplify things, so not to overcomplicate, put a lot of shit in the chart, and use thousands of concepts. So in this case, it's true to try to simplify as much as possible, okay, and create a clear checklist, okay, to not get lost in front of the chart. But it's not correct to oversimplify stuff, okay, to look at the zone and just because maybe create an FBOSS or it's on equal lows, say okay, that zone is an SMT and price will take that zone out, okay. This is oversimplify things. You pretend that price smash a zone just because it's on equal lows or equalize, or just because create a false change of character and all of this stuff, or because it's on Asia high. And try to pretend that price respect or not respect a zone because the day before you see that price take out that zone because it's not an inducement POI, so that day price will gonna take that zone because I saw the previous day that price do this stuff, okay. Hope it's clear what I mean by that. Also I don't like the drawing with this tool because it's oversimplifying things. What I mean that if price is going to do that and then do this, okay, FBOSS, so this is an SMT, I will go long targeting this, okay, because it's an SMT 100%, so you force price to take this high, okay, and you are oversimplify things. You pretend that price took out this zone just because you have this potential also internal change of character, okay. So you pretend that price will take this, and then when price react from this zone and push even lower, you are lost, you are confused, you think it's this concept is not working, it's fake, the people that talking about this, it's all fake people, fake everything, because you are simplify things. You pretend that this zone will gonna take out by price, okay, just because this, okay, and you repeat this mechanically every fucking day. So every fucking day when you have this kind of setup, okay, you pretend to go long okay, or short in the sell scenario, okay, without a proper understanding, entire understanding of what price is telling you, okay? You force price to do things instead of understand what price is saying to you, okay? So this is the truth, guys. If you oversimplify things and you justify, okay, if you do not justify the movement because you simply repeat maybe what the people say in a video and pretend to be 100% right every single time, okay, you oversimplify things, okay? You have to understand, this is the truth, guys. Listen to me, and then I will share two examples that you can already see in the screen. Guys, to understand if a zone is a potential SMT or is a potential valid zone, you have to create a checklist, okay, and respect it every day. What I mean by that? I mean, this is an SMT area. Why? You need to give yourself a reason, at least 5 reasons, because this is an SMT area, okay? Not simply because there is equal lows, so it's an SMT and price will take it 100%, okay? It's not the correct way to do that. I mean, you have to give you a reason, at least 5 checklists, okay, to understand potentially if a zone is valid or not, it's an SMT or not. So why this is an SMT? Because it's on equal lows, because it's very late on the day, so there is no real intention to hold this area, because we are trading away from this inducement, because price didn't give, okay, even a reaction on that zone, just push down, okay? So I mean, there is no really buyers, okay, that enter in this area, and this is why also you can understand which area potentially is more can give more reaction from an area. In this case, okay, guys, this video is, I mean, there is a lot of value, so please leave a like. This area, I mean, why you want to potentially give will potentially take a buy here? Because we took out equal lows, okay? It's like SMTs. You're oversimplify things. You took out equal lows, medium inducement, whatever, blah blah blah, maybe internal relevant breakout structure on M1, imbalance, mitigation, long. Okay, you oversimplify things just because we took out equal lows, okay, and potentially medium inducement, but this is not a medium inducement anyway. You cannot pretend that price will go higher, okay? There is no reason. Also because this area is not relevant in terms of liquidity. I cannot explain that to you guys, why some points are more relevant than other, okay? The real truth is that to understand this type of area and this type of relevant points in the market, you need to go into the chart, practice a lot, practice, okay? This is the only things that can give you, okay, advantage in the market. If you pretend to see this video, okay, and then move on to you think you understand what I'm saying, and then you go on live market and you repeat, okay, what I told to you, and then you take a loss, you are going in the comment and say I'm telling you stupid stuff, okay? But the reason you're taking stop losses is because you don't practice, okay? Most of the people fail in trading because they simply go on YouTube or go on the leak stuff, okay, see the video and pretend to be a master in trading just because the people, okay, maybe the people that are giving you information is maybe very profitable in trading and you are not. You say that this people is, a fake guru or whatever, because you don't put work, okay? You are simply watch a video, go onto the chart and pretend to be right. And also if you create a checklist, a perfect checklist, okay, so you know that this area is an SMT because you have 5 or 7 points in the checklist that tell you that this area is an SMT, okay? If price react, okay, and go higher, it's okay, guys. You cannot be in trading 100% correct. You have to accept that sometimes, even though you have everything in your favor, you can probably take a loss. But you can, if you are in the right mindset, okay, you not argue and all of this stuff, but you go onto the chart and understand why price, okay, respect that zone, okay? Because a lot of people complain, I take a stop loss and complain and try to move on another strategy, try to find the Holy Grail. But what you need to do to become a profitable trader is understand, journaling, make the annoying stuff, okay? Creating a checklist, create an edge on the market. Because, I know a lot of people that are profitable with retail stuff like trend lines, break and retest, breakout, with this with SMC concept. Why? Because they have an edge on the market. They have a checklist, okay, that they respect, they have discipline, okay, and they are diligent. They are doing all of the annoying stuff that most of the people don't want to do. Most of the people want to see 10 videos, go on live and make a lot of money. Okay, this is why trading have less probability. You have less probability in trading to success. Because even though I give you a good strategy, okay, and you can find good strategy nowadays for free, okay, you will say that this strategy is shit, okay, that this strategy is not working, because you are not doing the annoying stuff. You are not go on to the chart, analyze, stay hours in front of the chart, journaling, understand why sometimes price is doing that and why sometimes price is not going to do that. And also you pretend to be 100% right, okay? If you pretend to be 100% right in trading, okay, you are going to fail. You need to accept losses because are part of the journey, even though, as I repeat this, even though let's suppose this, I'm not saying that this is a valid POI, but let's suppose this is a valid POI, okay? Even though you have all of the points, all of the 10 points in your checklist to say that this is a valid POI, and then price maybe give you an entry and then took out this zone, you have to accept that, okay? You have to understand, okay, why price is doing, why price is not respect this zone, okay? But the most important thing is that you have to accept that. If you are not going to accept that, you continually try new strategy, try to go to another people that say different things, and then your mind will explode because you hear a lot of things from different peoples saying different stuff, okay? And you are lost, okay? Because you don't understand now what is good and what is not good. So do the annoying stuff, go on to the market, not in bar replay. You can do also like this, understand day by day, understand why a zone is respected, why not a zone is not respected. Create your own checklist, okay, with at least 5 points, 10 points that you have to understand if a zone an SMT or not, or a valid supply or demand zone to look for a trade, okay? And when you do this, you repeat every single day in the market, because only doing this you become a master in your checklist, in your trading plan, okay? And you create an edge, okay, a statistic in the market, okay? Because if you don't have a statistic in the market, you are not going to be a profitable trader. So hope you understand, okay, my entire let's call analysis, even though it's not analysis, but it's very important. I know that maybe some of you want to go in practice, but as I said, if you don't understand what I'm saying and you only want the drawing to understand the zone, okay, you will not gonna make in trading. Listen to me, okay? Listen to me. Work on your discipline, work on doing the annoying stuff, because only going into the chart every day, analyze the zone, etc., you will understand why sometimes a zone will gonna hold and why sometimes a zone will gonna destroy by price, okay? So now let's go on some practice, because I know that some of you want only practice. Give me, okay, try to tell me, where is the pen? Come on, okay. Tell me why this SMT old, okay, and why this now become an SMT, and why in this scenario this SMT is not gonna hold and be destroyed by price, so this become an area of interest. Why this is not an area of interest, and why this is an area of interest, okay? If you only focus on the setup, okay, this is what I told you. You oversimplify things. FBOSS. So this is an SMT, point of interest, long. Also you have clear equalize here, so 100%. This is an SMT, so I have to take this buy here and target this. And you take a stop loss here. In this scenario, instead, it's the same, FBOSS, change of character, FBOSS, change of character, bam, price respect the zone, and give you the perfect entry and take the equal, okay? In this scenario, you will take a stop loss, okay? Tell me, I'll give you 10 seconds, okay? Write in the comment if you want. Try to give me a reason between this and this zone. Okay, why are different? Okay, try to understand. Because if you only focus on the setup, okay, you see what I mean? You oversimplify things. You oversimplify, equalize, change of character, okay? Bam, SMT 100%, so I enter here long and target these highs here. And you take a stop loss. Because you oversimplify things, okay? You have to go deeper in the analysis and also understand what price is telling you, okay? Look here. What we have here. You see? Price fake the reaction here just before this area, okay? Fake the buy. Look at the candles. Look the speed, the momentum, okay? Telling you, okay, now price going to go higher, okay? Look at this candle. Look how stop just before this area, giving the reaction, then respect this SMT, push even lower, perfectly take this zone here, and then go to the final target. You see the narration behind the entire price action, and I can even more deeper, okay? Why? I have this equalize here, okay? Perfect. But also what I have? Short, 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 speed, taking out all of this area, all of this area, all of this area, okay? So what is this also? It's kind of an inducement. Even though we have equal eyes here, this is a fucking inducement, okay? It's an inducement that I'm not trading because the main inducement is this, okay? And the final target is this. But I understand that this is a potential inducement. We have a potential relevant breakout structure. We have imbalance. This is the candle, the POI candle, the demand or supply, whatever candle that make the inducement. Mitigation with speed, okay? To then continue lower, faking another time a reaction on these highs, so giving more the opportunity of sellers to go into the market, okay? And look, this is the real point where sellers is entering in the market. Because, I mean, there is some kind of sellers that entering here, okay? But this is the first breakout structure after a upside movement. So, I mean, yeah, there is some breakout traders entering here, okay? But this is when breakout traders enter. Because now we have a confirmation that price is changing, okay? That price is respecting these highs, okay? So this is a validation for sellers to go into the market. So price here just create more liquidity to the sell side scenario, okay? Just allow more sellers to enter in the market, taking out the first buyers that see these candles here, okay, speed, okay, they think, okay, now we continue to go higher, they induce one more time, perfectly close this area here, okay, and then bam, price take these highs here, okay. Look the narration, how I understand everything, okay? How can I can explain to myself every movement in the market. I not oversimplify it just because F boss here, okay, SMT, okay, blah blah blah, bam, I will enter here because now price is respecting the SMT, faking the reaction. I will enter here by 100% stop loss. You oversimplify things. You don't understand that this is a potential inducement of all of this liquidity here, okay? That price can respect this, okay? Price give a reaction just before this area. The speed of the candle, look how many things we have to understand, okay? And not just simplify stuff. F boss here. God damn it, guys, what the fuck? This is not a clear, okay, change of character. I mean, as I said, we can have potential breakout traders or whatever, any kind of sellers entering here, okay? But this is where now we have a convalidation for the short, for the majority of the sell guys, okay? I know that this video is kind of long, but it's very important, and I hope you are understand, okay, everything, and not listen only to the first part and leave the video because I'm not going into the funny drawings, okay? Because this is not how market moves, okay? You have to understand. In here, look here. Why? Now you have everything to understand the differences between this setup and this setup. You have everything to understand the difference. Why this area is old and this area is not old. You have everything. Tell me, try to understand. I give you 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay, hope you understand now. Look, this push here is this one here, okay? This push induce something on the left. Tell me, induce something on the left. Have some kind of relevance to price to respect this area? No, zero. Literally zero. Look at the difference here. Look at the speed. Look at the inducement. You see? Here, what price do? Nothing. Come on, don't tell me that this is an inducement, please. Okay? Price did nothing. Zero. Okay? And give the change of character. So now, why price will respect this area? There is no fucking reason to price respect this area and push higher. Zero. No reason. Okay? This is not an inducement. This is nothing. Okay? So price fake the reaction and now here you can enter short. Hope you understand the difference between these two zones here. Okay? Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. There is a lot of value, okay? If you have the right mindset, you can understand the value behind this video and it's absolutely fucking free, okay? So hope you understand everything. If you have some kind of question, let us know in the comment, okay? Leave a like and say if you want to see more videos like that. Very important, guys. It's a like, subscribe, it's absolutely free. It's very important if you want to see more of this kind of video. Yeah, guys, we'll catch you in the next. Peace.